Look at the buffalo. They're everywhere out there. They're out in full force today.
Yeah.
Aren't they?
Partying it up on a Saturday.
Looking for parking space. Everybody wants to wildlife watch.
Recording.
There is a buffalo in the road, folks. Alright, guys.
He needs to become a burger. Maybe a steak.
He's just minding his own business. These people just need to move.
These people need to get out of hell of out of our way.
Oh, there's two of them. What are you doing?
Trying to tell these people to go. Let's go down the middle, because I don't want to sit around the buffalo. I do not want to sit around the buffalo.
No, we're going to get too close to. Shit.
Idiot.
Oh, Lord.
Pull the freak over. I don't want to sit there with the buffalo. We're not in the car. They are.
Yeah, I don't know why they stop in the middle of the road. You're not really supposed to be that close anyway.
No. Grand Canyon.
A what?
A bus system like Grand Canyon. Old Faithful, keep right. Old Faithful.
Madison Campground was the other way. Old Faithful.
Keep right. Do not approach wildlife. Killer chipmunks.
Old Faithful Inn.
What did that say?
Guys are parking straight ahead.
Hey.
That's where we're going.
We're going to go see a gator.
Or is it Gazer? How do you
I call it geyser.
pronounce it? Me too. Oh, I see one already. Right there.
Oh, yeah.
We should have turned left there, I guess. I didn't know there was a Gazer there. Geyser.
What's this sign up here say? Old Faithful, Geyser Parking. Old Faithful Lodge. Main Highway Visitor Center. Where are you going to park?
I don't know.
Holy moly.
Packed.
Oh, you're right. Everybody's going to Old Faithful today. Let's go turn right.
Turn right.
Yeah.
Wait for the people.
Oh, I didn't see that one.
Wait for the cars that don't care about motorcycles.
Yeah.
Like that guy.
Thought we might get lucky. What about over here? You think anything over here?
I don't know. I don't know. Are we allowed to park in the lodge parking lot?
I don't know. Maybe not. What's lodge, cafeteria, cabin?
Let's park there. Let's park
That's
there.
what I'm talking about.
Alright.
Doesn't seem.
Doesn't say parking for lodgers only. There's Old Faithful over there. I see the smoke.